Hello friends, welcome to my channel Teaching Boy. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share. Question number 1. A dash is an electronic device that processes data and converts it into information. Option A computer, option B processor, option C scale, option D styles. Right answer is option A computer. Question number 2. Dash is processed in information by computer processor. Option A number, option B processor, option C cache, option D data. Right answer is option D data. Question number 3. Which part of the computer is for calculating and comparing? Option A ALU, option B processor, option C control unit, option D data. The right answer is option A ALU. Question number 4. Which unit controls the movement of signal CPU? Option A ALU, option B processor, option C control unit, option D data. The right answer is option C control unit. Question number 5. Which is the function of the central processing unit of a computer? Option A creates invoices, option B performs calculations and processing, option C deletes data, option D corrupts the data. The right answer is option B performs calculations and processing. Question number 6. The basic computer processing cycle consists of option A data, information and applications, option B input, processing and output, option C hardware, software and storage, option D system and application. The right answer is option B input, processing and output. Question number 7. The name of the location of a particular piece of data is option A address, option B memory name, option C storage sites, option D data location. Right answer is option A address. Question number 8. Dash is the part of the computer that does the arithmetical calculations. Option A memory, option B OS, option C CPU, option D ALU. The right answer is option D ALU. Question number 9. Computation and logical operations are performed by the option A memory, option B RAM, option C CPU, option D ALU. The right answer is option D ALU. Question number 10. The function of CPU is option A to provide external storage of text, option B to communicate with the operator, option C assembler, option D to read, interpret and process the information and instructions. The right answer is option D to read, interpret and the process of the information and instruction. Question number 11. Example of non-metric data is option A employee address, option B bank balance, option C examination score, option D all of these. The right answer is option A employee address. Question number 12. The information you put into the computer is called option A directory, option B facts, option C data, option D files. The right answer is option C data. Question number 13. Dash is data that has been organized or presented in a meaningful fashion. Option A information, option B facts, option C storage, option D control unit. Right answer is option A information. Question number 14. The part of the computer that coordinates all its functions is called its option A system board, option B ALU, option C storage, option D control unit. Right answer is option B ALU. Question number 15. A computer executes program in sequence of option A execute decode fetch, option B fetch decode execute, option C decode fetch execute, option D execute fetch store. Right answer is option B fetch decode execute. Question number 16. The term gigabit related to option A accuracy, option B automatic, option C flexibility, option D versatility. Right answer is option A accuracy. Question number 17. Dash is the process of carrying out commands. Option A fetching, option B storing, option C executing, option D decoding. Right answer is option C executing. Question number 18. Computer gather data, which means they allow user to dash data. Option A input, option B output, option C present, option D store. Right answer is option A input. Question number 19. A collection of unprocessed item is option A information, option B output, option C data, option D store. Right answer is option C data. Question number 20. The component is required to process data into information and consists is integrated circuits. Option A CPU, option B ALU, option C RAM, option D ROM. Right answer is option A CPU. Question number 21. Dash is the result produced by a computer. Option A CPU, option B ALU, option C output, option D input. Right answer is option C output. Question number 22. Memory unit is one part of option A CPU, option B ALU, option C output device, option D input device. The right answer is option A CPU. Question number 23. Computer dash is whatever is typed, submitted or transmitted to a computer system. Option A data, option B ALU, option C output, option D input. Right answer is option D input. Question number 24. Manipulating data to create information is known as option A feedback, option B programming, option C processing, option D analysis. The right answer is option C processing. Question number 25. The dash tells the rest of the computer how to carry out a program's instruction. Option A ALU, option B control unit, option C processing, option D CPU. Right answer is option B control unit.